Hey there, guys. Welcome back. This is Martel Trades, and I remain Nick in Matthew. During high impact news release, the market is usually very volatile. We're talking about price going up or down as high as 50 pips, 60, or even 100 pips or more, depending on the instrument you're trading. As at last week, there was the CPI news release, which is also known as the inflation news. So I just decided to jump on a trade, trying out using the method I shared in one of my previous video. Where you place two opposing positions at the same time, which is otherwise called edging. Yeah, there is one thing we need to understand about edging. All right, it's in as much as you're certain that one trade might come out profitable, we should also put in mind that the trade or the market is not controlled by you. You should know that during this period, the market is usually unpredictable. Like you can't predict the direction the market will be headed. The market could be going in one direction 1 minute, and the next minute it's going the other way. So when you're edging, you should be ready to take out profit no matter what you have gotten. Now, this was the mistake I made. I let greed get in the way. In the video, you'd realize that I was already in profit in one direction while my other position was still pending. I had the thought of taking profit, but no, I was still believing that price was going to shoot up. Don't get me wrong, there are some news events that when released, price will go in one direction without going the other way. Okay, so I was hoping that this was going to be the same thing, but unfortunately, it went up to like say 50, was it 15 pips? Then I turned around, took out that trade, triggered the opposing trade, and that one too went up, went as high as was it 15 or almost 20 pips, can't remember. And I didn't still take my profit. And guess what? Price went back and hit the stop loss. So, what is the lesson that is supposed to be learned here? Always take profit. When you see the profit, take it. I'm talking about news release. When we have uh, when you're trading the news, do not take away the hope. Right, just take away the hope that price will keep on shooting up because the previous news was shooting up without returning. No, you're not the one to tell the market what to do. All right. So when you see when you see the profit, just take it, regardless of whether market will stay, the price will still move further in that direction. Just take the price, take what you see, and move on. Okay, you cannot make a fortune in a go in one trade. So there are still various many opportunities out there that you can use to make more profit. So once you see the profit, just take it. If I had taken my profit when I thought to do so in both positions, I would have ended up in probably maybe 20 something pips profit without any loss. So you see, but I was hoping that the market or the price will move very high as usual. Being it that this is CPI, CPI is usually one of the monstrous news that we do have. Aside from NFP, CPI follows. So these two news and also this uh, interest rate decision news. These news are they move the market rapidly. So I was thinking that the same thing is going to happen here. And this is another lesson. Do not think because you saw 150 pips in the previous news release that this news release is going to give you the same thing. Well, unfortunately, this has shown that it doesn't happen that way. So I just decided to drop this video. I didn't want to upload this before, but of course we need to be showing our losses and wins, and yes, this is a live account. I was just trying to challenge myself more, that why not I just begin live account, all right, live trading. So I decided to try this out with the live account. Yes, I lost $2. It's the $10 account anyway. I decided to just try it out, take the risks, and see what I'll be able to make out of the $10 account. So it's either I blow the account or I grow it. Either way, it's still part of the game. So rather than starting with the $50 account I initially mentioned in my previous video, I'd rather be getting a prop firm, and hopefully I'll be passing the evaluation stage and be able to get something substantial for this, for my trading. So having said that, please do well to support this channel by subscribing, like my videos, drop comments, and share them to others. Until I come your way again, trade safe.